We will learn about English sounds. But before starting our today's lecture, subscribe my channel Learn English with Hira and press the bell icon. So let's start. In English sounds, we have vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. But there is a difference between vowel sound and the consonant sounds. A vowel sound is a speech sound produced without obstructing the flow of air through the mouth from the lungs, whereas a consonant is a speech sound that is articulated with complete or partial closure of the vocal tract. Here you can see the phonemic chart. There are vowel sounds and the consonants. There are 26 letters in English, but the basic sounds are 44. The sounds include vowels and the consonants. The vowels comprise simple vowels, which are also called monophthongs. Then we have the diphthongs and triphthongs. Here you can see the simple vowel chart in which you can notice which part of the tongue is involved in the production of a sound. It can be front, center and back. And what is the position of the lips while producing a sound? It can be spread, neutral and round. Monophthongs. Monophthongs are 12 in numbers. They are also divided into long and short. Long monophthongs are vowels with long pronunciation, whereas short monophthongs are vowels with a short sound, which means that they are not extended sounds. Short vowels. I, as in pin, insect, a, mat, bread, a, band, happy, as in dog, blood, foot, look, o, as in knot, bottom, as in ability, dollar. Long vowels. Look at the first sound. E, as in sleep, clean. A, as in father, harm. O, as in sauce, for. As in girl, term. Rude, group. Diphthongs. A diphthong is a sound made by combining two vowels, specifically when it starts as one vowel sound and goes to another. In phonetics, a gliding vowel in the articulation of which there is a continuous transition from one position to another. They are also long vowels and 8 in numbers. Let's have some practice of diphthongs. A, as in place, great, baby. Oi, boy, oil, employee. I, as in light, find, time. Ear as in clear, fear, appear. Ur as in cure, tour, poor. Air, tear, care, wear. O as in boat, open, smoke. Ow as in town, mouse, brown. Triphthongs. A triphthong is a speech sound comprised of 3 combined vowel sounds. A triphthong is a glide from one vowel to another and to a third, all produced rapidly and without interruption. There are 3 vowel sounds in a single syllable. They are 5 in numbers. Look at the first sound, which is a combination of diphthongs and schwa sound. I and the schwa sound a. Ire as in fire, flyer, air, player, mayor, oil, loyal, royal, hour, power, tower, over, lower, widower. Consonant sound. P, p, as in play, paper, pin, b, boy, bag, box. T, tab, vacant, butter. D, desk, band, grade. K, cat, truck, collect. G, bagger, green, gap. F, fine, rough, fun. V, van, move, curve. As in see, house, sister. Z, as in zoom, zigzag, zoo. Y, vision, treasure, measure. Ch, bunch, picture, church. J, image, jam, joke. Th, month, thing, bath. D, as in father, feather, this. Sh, sheep, bush, brush. L, ladder, able, love. M, mountain, moon, make. N, mind, need, night. N, as in pink, ring, king. H, house, hat, heel. R, rhyme, road, correct. U, universe, university. U, wall, water, when. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.